Welcome to Manafacta. Think about a world without electric wires. Imagine waking up to a day where nothing turns on. No lights, no phones, no internet. A world plunged into darkness and silence. It's hard to imagine, right? Electric wires are the unsung heroes of our modern lives, silently carrying the power that makes everything work. They are the veins and arteries of our technological world. From the moment you flip on the coffee maker in the morning, to the time you switch off your bedside lamp, you're relying on these hidden pathways of energy. Every appliance, every device, every light bulb depends on them. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these essential conductors are made? What goes into creating these lifelines of power? The journey from raw materials to the finished product is a fascinating blend of industrial processes, precision engineering, and rigorous quality control. It's a complex dance of technology and human skill. It's a story of sweat, ingenuity, and the constant pursuit of delivering power safely and reliably. Every step is crucial, every detail matters. Join me as we trace the path of an electric wire from its humble beginnings to its vital role in our homes, businesses, and beyond. Discover the intricate process that brings power to our fingertips. We'll delve into mines, explore factories, and meet the hard-working men and women who make it all possible. Their dedication ensures that our world stays connected and powered. Get ready to get your hands dirty and your curiosity sparked. This journey will open your eyes to the marvels of modern engineering. This is where it all begins, a testament to human determination to extract the essential ingredients for our modern world. The raw materials are the foundation of everything we rely on. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. And it's a job that keeps our world running smoothly day in and day out. Our journey starts deep underground in the heart of a copper mine. Copper, with its remarkable ability to conduct electricity, forms the backbone of most electrical wires. Miners work tirelessly in challenging conditions, extracting copper ore from the earth. The ore, a mixture of rock and copper-bearing minerals, is just the first step. It's rough, it's dirty, and it's a long way from the shiny wires we're used to seeing. But within this raw material lies the potential to power our world. This is the real deal, folks. The raw power of nature waiting to be harnessed. It's heavy, it's dusty, and it's a testament to the hard work and dedication of miners around the world. Once the copper ore is extracted from the mine, it embarks on a journey of refinement. The goal? To isolate the pure copper from the surrounding rock and impurities. This process involves crushing, grinding, and a series of chemical treatments. It's a bit like panning for gold, but on an industrial scale. Each step removes unwanted materials, gradually concentrating the copper until it reaches a level of purity suitable for electrical applications. The end result? Shiny, reddish-brown copper ready for its transformation into wire. It's like liquid fire, but instead of destruction, it represents the creation of something essential. This molten copper will soon be drawn into the wires that carry power to our homes and factories. Now the real magic happens. The purified copper, often starting as thick rods, undergoes a process called wire drawing. This involves pulling the copper through a series of progressively smaller dies, stretching and thinning it with each pass. Imagine squeezing dough through a pasta maker. That's kind of what's happening here, but with a lot more force and precision. The copper is gradually elongated, becoming thinner and thinner until it reaches the desired wire gauge. It's amazing to watch the transformation from thick rods to incredibly fine wires, all thanks to the power of engineering and a little bit of elbow grease. Cloaking the current, the art of insulation. A bare copper wire, while an excellent conductor, presents some serious safety hazards. Without proper insulation, it can cause short circuits, fires, and even electric shocks. That's where insulation comes in. It serves as a crucial protective layer. Insulating materials, typically made from plastics or polymers, are applied to the wire to prevent electrical leakage and protect users from shocks. These materials are chosen for their durability and resistance to heat and chemicals. Think of it like putting a protective coating on a live electrical current. This coating ensures that the electricity stays within the wire. The insulation acts as a barrier, preventing the electricity from flowing in unwanted directions and ensuring that the power goes where it's supposed to go, safely. It also helps in maintaining the integrity of the wire over time. The variety of colors isn't just for show. Each color signifies a different wire gauge or intended use, making it easier for electricians to do their job safely and efficiently. This color coding system is essential for identifying wires quickly during installation and maintenance, ensuring reliability quality above all else. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, from mine to finished product, quality control is paramount. Electric wires are subjected to rigorous testing at every stage to ensure they meet strict industry standards. These tests check for things like conductivity, tensile strength, insulation resistance, and more. After all, these wires will be carrying power to our homes, hospitals, and businesses. Failure is not an option. These folks are the unsung heroes of the electrical industry, making sure that the wires we rely on are safe, reliable, and built to last. A network of energy wiring our world. The final step in this incredible journey takes electric wires from the factory to our homes, businesses, and communities, ensuring that every corner of our world is connected. Electricians, the skilled professionals who connect our world, install these wires, creating the intricate networks that power our lives, from the smallest household to the largest industrial complex. Whether it's wiring a new home, ensuring that families have the power they need for daily life, installing a complex industrial system that keeps factories running smoothly, or maintaining the power grid to ensure uninterrupted service, electricians rely on the quality and reliability of the wires they use, knowing that their work is critical. It's a testament to the entire manufacturing process that we often take this essential infrastructure for granted, not realizing the effort behind it. It's a dangerous job that requires skill, precision, and a healthy respect for electricity as they work to keep us all connected. Next time you flip on a light switch, take a moment to appreciate the electricians who make it all possible, bringing light and power into our lives. Beyond the basics, specialized wires, extraordinary uses. While we often think of electrical wires in the context of our homes and businesses, their applications extend far beyond these everyday uses. Specialized wires, designed for specific environments and purposes, play crucial roles in industries ranging from aerospace to medicine. High-temperature wires withstand the extreme heat of aircraft engines, while submersible cables carry power and data across ocean floors. Medical-grade wires designed for use within the human body transmit signals from pacemakers and other life-saving devices. The precision required for these specialized applications is astounding. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt technology to meet even the most demanding challenges. Respecting the power safety first, always first. As we conclude our journey through the world of electric wire manufacturing, it's essential to remember that electricity is a powerful force that demands respect. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical wires or devices. Never touch exposed wires, and always ensure that electrical work is carried out by qualified professionals. By treating electricity with caution and respect, we can harness its power safely and responsibly. This symbol serves as a reminder that electricity is a powerful force that should never be taken lightly. Safety should always be our top priority. If you found this video interesting and want to explore more about how things are made, built, discovered, explored, or manufactured, be sure to leave a comment, give it a like, and subscribe to Manafacta. And don't forget to watch next time for even more exciting content.